Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Killer.
What this man is easy. He look like he forget when there.
Oh my God.
It seems to me like this man no remember which part him there. Or him no see the signs. You see it? You know, this look like stress to me still, because if you notice, it's like when the man touch him and said, no smoking on the plane please, you can see when him goes and hold him face like he said, Jesus. Ah boy, this is really a serious thing. It's not a laughing matter still, you know. And it make me start wonder what will be the consequences for something like this, because if you notice, him look at him and say, can I see a boarding pass? So you know say him go take down all information and write it down and tell what really happened during this little event on the plane, you see? Because him have to, it's a must. You see me I say, it's a must, it's a part-time job, you see? So it make me wonder to myself now, what's going to be the punishment for something like this? You see me? Is it that them go suspend him or ban him, you know, from that airline? One, me don't know. Who knows, you know? It's not like say me go up on a plane and go smoke before. You see? Jano Star. But this really look like some form of stress, you know? Might be. It's not that I'm saying it, isn't it? But anyways, my uncle hopes that you, my viewers, can see this and learn something from it. Not that I'm saying that my viewers them smoke pan plane or anything. I'm not accusing anyone, you know? It's just that I'm saying that if this man do it, who knows, somebody else might not even know so they're not supposed to do it. You see it? So maybe them learn from this, we're gonna show them right about now. You see it? But anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and that is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?